I'd spent lots of years in the industry fumbling around in Excel, kind of only infrequently getting opportunities to even venture into the data analysis world. And anytime I did, it got me really excited. This 5-day bootcamp has been pretty intense, but very informative introduction to data science. I really saw that I could literally have done this course 5 years ago and saved myself a lot of time and effort if I just had the right knowledge and tools. For example, we started looking at R and the types of analysis you can do so quickly when you have a data set already. Stuff that previously would have taken me hours, if not days. I didn't walk into this thinking I'd walk out an expert by any means, and they never gave any expectations of that. But the nice thing about an environment like this is you're asking questions that other people might not have thought about, and people are asking questions that I would have never thought of as well. There's some discussion and debate that happens that I don't think you could get doing a course online. I don't feel that data science is for everybody. Every industry or every person is really working with data or information in some way. And I think you can take even the limited amounts of information and turn it into some sort of data science application. So I definitely agree, it's for everybody. The course has really given me a passion to pursue more of the data science world. Because I know what data science is capable of, I now know what I can pursue in the future.